just to do like either a little barbecue, and if fishing is allowed, they might come fishing day, barbecue, just staying. Nice, beautiful. The color of the water is also. Closer look to the
So back here, the water is subject to tidal fluctuations.
a little bit less than outside in the open sea, but in the fjord there are the influence both all the rivers and snow melting that comes, and it's very seasonal, of course, and the influence of the tide. You can feel it all the way here, but the farther in you are, the less influence they will have on the tides. Sometimes you might have the current down the river, and sometimes the opposite to the river when the tide is rising.
So straight
Here.
ahead, there's not a river. Straight ahead.
Yeah, there is the river there, exactly. This one is quite small, but sometimes they are much bigger. Yeah, it makes total sense, because if you think about the geological shape of the and all about the formation of the fjord, you need to think about the glaciers, right? And all the fjords, no exceptions, they are made in the U shape of the glaciers. So you can imagine during the last ice age, and we're not talking so long ago, like 20 years ago, 20,000 years ago, it was all covered by glaciers and ice cap just on top. So once the glacier, the way that it has to erode the mountain, it's always from the bottom, like a bulldozer. It goes eroding the bottom, and from the side, where we call the central moraine and the lateral moraine, right? And it's always creating these U-shaped valleys. We saw that in Svalbard very, very clearly. With no vegetation, it's even more clear that it makes this perfect U shape. So once the ice retreats, and obviously retreat from the glacier, it's melting until the glacier is not active anymore, and then it just retreating, staying in the top of the mountain. That is the situation right now. And here, it's just the shape of